Nothing but today we will discuss about on the some basic topics or what is the basic concepts of three concepts of our basic theory. That theory is our Newton's law of motion. So nothing but very simple things. So important thing is that कैसे अपन डील करेंगे. So you know very well. So first law is in law of inertia. Second law is conservation of momentum. ठीक है. So law of inertia क्या कहता है कि ऑब्जेक्ट कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है वो अपने में चेंज का हमेशा अपोज करेगा. कि कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट चाहेगा कि अपनी पोजीशन में वो चेंज नहीं चाहता है. सो वो हमेशा उस चेंज का क्या करना चाहेगा, अपोज करेगा. So this is that is the important things. Clear? And second law is thing that over dp by dt, the thing is zero. That means our p equals to constant. Clear? So that thing is conservation of momentum. Nothing but a conservation of momentum. And here we are known f equals to ma vector, and you can write in the form of m dv vector upon dt. And what is our momentum? Momentum is mv vector. So we can write in the force, that is dp vector upon dt. Clear? Clear. So this is our force. So it states that it's saying that simple in general words I can say, this states that when any external force is zero on any system, then we can say that the momentum of system is conserved. So that is important thing. So how to identify the for a particular system the momentum is conserved? That means when on a particular system the external value of external force is zero, then we can say that the momentum of system is conserved. So third law, third law is the state conservation. So third law is reaction, anti-reaction, reaction, anti-reaction. So in reaction, anti-reaction, suppose this is our surface. This is our surface, and block is mass m put on this surface. When we can that कि जो ये सरफेस है वो इस ब्लॉक पर इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन एक रिएक्शन लगवाएगी, और उसी ये मास पर, और सेम जो है अपना सरफेस है उस पर मास क्या लगाएगा, एंटी रिएक्शन लगाएगा. दैट इज थर्ड लॉ ऑफ Newton's, that is state about the reaction and reaction. So for basic problems, write how to write equation of motion. So uh, first thing is weight. What is weight? What is weight? So weight nothing but is a gravitational force. It is gravitational force on a body due to gravity of Earth. Due to gravity of Earth. Clear? That means for so what is W? W is M. So here Z is a gravitational acceleration or acceleration or due to gravity. So next thing is normal. So what is normal force, normal reaction? So nothing normal reaction. So suppose that we have a two body system. We have two body system. So one block. This is our one block, and this is our another block. Suppose this is mass m1, this is mass m2. So how to make FBD? So what is FBD? FBD is free body diagram. FBD is free body diagram. So what free body diagram बनाने के लिए simple things are is for suppose m1 mass, then anti-reaction by mass m2, that is suppose this is n2, and by surface this is n1. For m2 then only n2. Clear? This is normal reaction. So here n1 n2 are normal force or reaction. And the important thing is the the weight of a body or a system is always toward the center of earth. Center of earth. That means suppose this is our earth, and a person is stand here, then the mass of the in this direction, the weight and normal reaction. Oh, those so right. We can here also normal. This is sorry, this is normal. So this is normal. Let normal. So this is our normal. So always here a body is system is here. So in this direction. So toward the center of the earth. These are basic things. So now next thing is how to write the equation of motion. Next thing is how to write the equation of motion for a system. So next thing is equation of motion. So for example, suppose we have system. This is mass m1. This is mass m2, and this is our surface. Okay, and the whole system going towards downwards with acceleration a. Okay, so how to write equation of motion for block m1. So first thing is fbd. So how to make fbd? Fbd is very simple things. m1, so due to the earth normal direction n1, and this n2, and the acceleration a, and the weight of the block, that is n2 m1z. So this is fbd. Now, so the equation of motion is in the direction of acceleration, net force. So in the direction of acceleration, the net force is m1z plus n2 n1. So net force here. So this is our net force, and then acceleration, the force due to this acceleration, that is m1. So important thing is that this part is net force in direction of acceleration. Direction of acceleration, and this part is force due to acceleration on block. Clear? So this that should be equivalent. So net force and the force due to the acceleration should be equivalent. So this is our equation of motion. Clear? So now next for M2. So for uh, M2. So our M2 diagram is this. Only the in upward direction is N2, and M2z, the weight of block and the acceleration. So the net force in the direction of acceleration is M2g minus N2, and this that should be equivalent to the acceleration in the same direction of. So this is M2a. So that is our equation of motion. So when once we can find the equation of motion for the system, then we can find the all other parameters. Like here, the two important parameters, like the normal force between the blocks. So then we can. So now Using the equation of motions, we can find normal between the blocks. So that is important thing. So now again I repeat this example how to find the normal. So this is surface and a big block and a small block. This is M1, this is M2, and the whole system. So the whole system with acceleration A. Then we can find the equation of motion for M1, that is very simple. So that is M1z plus N2 minus N1, and which is equivalent M1a. Clear? This is equation 1. One important thing is that so this is our first for block 1, the equation of motion, and the equation of motion for that is very simple. M2z minus N2 equals to M2a. This is equation number. The problem is that how to find the N2, how to find N1. So this is our problem. This is our problem. This is our question. How to find distance? So for find the value of N1 and N2, so using the equation of motion, so from equation 1 and 2, so what is N2? The M1z minus N1 plus M2g minus M2a, that is equivalent to M1a. Clear? So nothing but from the equation 2, the value of N2 put in the equation 1. Now we can write. So now we can write. The value of N1, which is equivalent M1g minus M1a plus M2z minus M2a. So after simplifying this equation, so N1 is M1 g minus a plus M2 z minus a. Clear up to here? So N1 is normal between the surface. N1, what is N1? N1 is normal reaction between surface and the globe M1. So this is equivalent to the G minus A multiplied with M1 plus M. So this is our normal reaction for surface 1. normal reaction between surface and mass angle. And N2 is, so from here we can write N2 is simple M2 G minus. So in this, using this method, we can find the normal reaction between the blocks. So today's lecture is basic things, that is nothing but Newton's law. What is Newton's law? Newton's law is state about the first law is a state about law of inertia, second law conservation of momentum, and third law reaction and chain reaction. This is third law. Then the what is weight, what is normal reaction, the direction of normal solid towards the center of the earth, and equation of motion, how to write the equation of motion for a system. So how to make the FED of block in the system, particular bodies. फर्स्ट थिंग इज तुम एफबीडी बनाओगे कैसे, ये इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। एफबीडी बनाओगे, उसके बाद इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन लिखोगे। इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन लिखने के बाद उस सिस्टम के लिए आप उसकी डायनेमिकल स्टडी कर सकते हो, उसके बीच लगने वाले नॉर्मल रिएक्शन, उसके एक्सलेशन, ऑल स्टडी आपको उसके बारे में कर सकते हो। क्लियर? सो टुडे अप हियर